different kind of insect. Caterpillar, fly, centipede, tick, spider, ladybug. Spider, tick, scorpion, dragonfly, grasshopper, ants, scorpion, tick, spider, fly, mantis, butterfly, and spider. These are the different insect. We got another one. Lizard, iguana, lizard, crocodile, gecko, and then iguana. Reptiles, we got frogs, snakes, turtle, snakes, and the frog. We get different kinds of mammals too. Elephants, tiger, cow, dog, tiger, giraffe, zebra, pig, elephants, hippopotamus. These are different kinds of animals that we can find around us. How about the dinosaur? And we got the seawater. We get the shark, seal, manta ray, fish, Nemo fish, octopus, seahorse, seal,